Hello, my name is David, and today we are going to make Yoshi from Super Mario. Wow. So, first I take some green clay and make an elongated teardrop shape and sort of morph the top here. Then I take some white clay and put it at the bottom. You're basically making the same shape, but longer. And I stick a toothpick in right here to make sure that I don't get stuck to a surface or anything. Then I create two legs by making two other teardrop shapes and blending them here and here. I stick toothpicks in the bottom. Then I flatten not completely flatten, make a red semicircle, and then take a white snake of clay and wrap it around here. Then I take some orange and make two little ovals, indent the middle, take two flattened circles, place them here and here, take two flattened ovals, place them at the bottom, and stick them to the legs. Then I take some toothpicks, I wrap them in green clay. I accidentally gave Yoshi 3 fingers, but it's not that big of a deal. Anyway, you take an oval, you cut 3 snips in it, you round them out, you put them in whatever pose you want. I put them in fists and put them back for that classic I'm gonna eat something face or body posture. Either way. For the head, I take a green oval of clay. I make a weird shape. It's like a triangle, except the two parts are ovals, and then the up part is like rounded. And I just wrap it to the bottom, and then, you know, that little rounded oval part is going to be his little jaw structured thing. And then I take a green oval of clay. Again, I cut it in half, and then I put a flattened, cut in half white oval of clay here and here. I smush these two eyes together, make sure that they're touching. Then I take some black things of clay, black ovals of clay, place them here and here. Then I take 2 white balls of clay, put them here and here, and you can add a tongue if you want. I just wrapped some red clay in a toothpick and just kind of pointed it up. And then for his humongous nose, I just took a green ball of clay. I put a toothpick in it and made 2 little nostrils with a toothpick, and I just made a little amiibo stand with an indent with my Yoshi amiibo card. So yeah, that's how you make Yoshi from Super Mario. Thanks for watching. Bye.